Richmond 911, what is the address of your emergency?
I'm not Cedar Street, but there is a guy laying on top of a car in the parking lot, and he has been beating on the top of his vehicle. He's now laying on the hood, and I believe he has pulled like a long gun out of his pant leg. I don't know if anybody's in the car.
All right, what's the phone number you're calling from?
804.
Okay, and what's your name?
My name.
Okay, you said you're at Cedar Street, is that correct?
Yeah. Mhm.
Okay, and can you tell me exactly what happened? The man was banging on top of a vehicle, and you believe he pulled out a weapon, is that correct?
Yeah, he's laying on top of it. I can't really tell in that he's walking up to his car now. But he's just, I don't know if it's his car, I don't know what's going on, but I heard that he woke me up. Oh no, he's getting up. And I believe he had pulled a weapon out of his pant leg. He's got a black hoodie on, light wash, denim jeans. The hoodie has like white speckles on it.
Okay.
I hope I'm right. I don't want to call for no reason.
Are you at the location now?
Oh, sorry?
Are you at the location now?
I'm in my...
Okay.
What, are any weapons involved? I think he's got, he's getting into the car.
All right, are any
I
weapons?
think I can leave. I'm not sure. I'm probably about getting into the vehicle. It's a silver Hyundai. Maybe, Sonata.
Okay, what's the license plate
number? I can't see it. Oh, I can see it, but I can't see it.
Can you describe the weapons to me?
It's long. It looks kind of like the wind of a baseball bat, but it's not a bat. Like, I can tell there's handle. They're parked over by the dumpster, behind the dumpster. I hope I'm right. I hope I'm not calling for anything.
Where are the weapons now?
On the black male inside the vehicle.
Okay, how many people are involved?
I can't tell. I only saw the one guy that was laying on top of the car, and now he's inside the car.
Servant physical or verbal?
I don't hear anything. I just heard him banging on the roof of the vehicle.
Okay. Okay, where is the suspect now?
Inside the vehicle, in the passenger seat.
Okay, I need to get the person's description starting with their race. You said it was a black male.
Black male, yeah, hoodie is on. I can't tell the hair, can't tell the facial hair. Light enough, black with like a white design on the hood. The jeans are like a light brown. Skinny jeans are not like super baggy. That's all I can see from here.
Okay.
113 Adam 8, 113 Charles 9, 113 Adam 8, 113 Charles 9, response code 2, Cedar Street. Reference to disorderly aggressive. Complainant states a male is laying on top of a vehicle and he has pulled out a weapon out of his pants. Information still coming in. 113 Adam 8, 113 Charles 9, response code 2, 0459 hours.
13 Adam 8, copy. Within movement. Charles 9, I copy call.
113 Adam 8, 113 Charles 9. Suspect is going to be a black male, wearing a black hoodie with the words Y on the hood and light jeans. States he's going to be inside of the vehicle in the passenger seat. No further. 0500 hours. 113 Adam 8, 113 Charles 9. Be advised the vehicle is going to be a silver Hyundai 4-door, and it's going to be near the dumpster. No further. 0501 hours.
13 Adam 8, You just come in here.
1023-0502 hours.
139 at me. You can copy tag. It's silver on there.
Okay, Adam, you can answer one.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Can you copy tag?
Simple.
So they appear to be sleeping in the car. Male, female. They all hooked up.
Who called this in?
Complaining. The male would get out, jump on top of the car, and pull a gun out.
The dude that's sleeping in the car?
Yeah, I don't know if he's sleeping or just saw me.
113 Adam 8.
113 Adam 8, go ahead. But I didn't try.
Comes back to a 2024 silver Hyundai 4-door.
Female driver.
What do you want to do with it?
Yeah, I can knock it and see. I can talk to him.
Just 23-0507 hour. And 13 Adam 8. It's 1029 is showing 1010.
See him.
What's it gonna? 113 Charles down. I got shots fired. Shots fired. You ready?
Unit 113 Charles has a meeting.
Is she alive?
Yeah.
Ma'am, are you alive?
6th Street. Showing EUA citywide. Code 1 supervisor copy.
Man, get it, secure.
Yeah.
113 Charles down. I got one down. I need Razzie to respond to my location.
Yeah, come and step away, car, please.
What happened?
Alright.
113
You okay?
Yeah.
We're in the
We're in the back.
parking lot. Ryan, Sydney, Razzie. I need a supervisor, and I need unit to set up a perimeter. I got one down.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
What's it gonna? 113 Charles 9, I got shots fired, shots fired.